Greetings, plant enthusiasts around the globe. Welcome to Herb Harmony, your go-to place for everything green and growing. Here we delve into the verdant world of botany, unraveling the mysteries of leaf, stem and root. We explore, learn and grow together, shedding light on everything from common houseplants to the marvels of plant genetics. Do remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more botanical brilliance. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of mutation breeding. Imagine being able to create a plant with new and improved traits. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's what mutation breeding does. At its core, mutation breeding is a method that involves inducing mutations to create genetic variations in plants. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about deliberate mutations, not accidental ones. It's a fascinating process that involves using physical or chemical mutagens to induce these genetic alterations. This process can give rise to an array of unique traits, some of which may be beneficial to the plant or to us. Now you might be wondering, why would we want to do this? Well, the answer is simple. Mutation breeding allows us to enhance certain traits in plants. For instance, we might want to create a strain of wheat that is more resistant to a particular disease, or a variety of rose that blooms in a unique color. By creating these genetic variations, we are essentially providing a pool of traits from which natural selection can pick and choose. This process doesn't just have the potential to improve the aesthetic appeal of our gardens, but also holds profound implications for the future of agriculture. From increasing crop yields to enhancing nutritional content, mutation breeding can be a powerful tool in our fight against global food insecurity. So, mutation breeding is like a magic wand that allows us to create plants with new traits. Now you might be wondering, do I see mutation-bred plants in my daily life? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's take a stroll through your everyday life. Picture your breakfast table. Perhaps there's a ruby red grapefruit waiting to be savored. Guess what? This tangy delight is a product of mutation breeding. Or maybe you're donning a crisp cotton shirt. Chances are the cotton used was improved through mutation breeding, making it more durable and vibrant. Consider the beautiful flowers adorning your garden, the dazzling chrysanthemums or the charming roses. Many of these blooms owe their stunning colors and hardiness to this method. Even your staple foods like rice and wheat have been refined using mutation breeding, enhancing their yield and resistance to diseases. Isn't it amazing to realize that some of our favorite plants are products of mutation breeding? Mutation breeding has a fascinating history and a promising future. It all began in the early 20th century when scientists first discovered that radiation could cause genetic mutations. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities, giving birth to the concept of mutation breeding. Fast forward to today, and this technique is crucial in our quest to develop new plant varieties. It's about enhancing the natural process of evolution, tweaking the genetic makeup of plants to bring forth desirable traits. From disease resistance to increased yield, mutation breeding has been instrumental in achieving these objectives. But the journey doesn't end here. Looking ahead, mutation breeding holds immense potential. With advancements in technology, we can only expect more precise and efficient modifications. This means more resilient crops, more nutritious food, and a more sustainable future for all. The journey of mutation breeding is a testament to human innovation and our endless quest to improve the world around us. So there you have it, the magic of mutation breeding. We've delved into its intriguing concept, witnessed its impact on our daily lives, and journeyed through its rich history. This powerful tool not only allows us to develop plants with new traits, but also contributes significantly to our food security and agricultural productivity. The future of mutation breeding holds infinite possibilities. Thank you for tuning in to Herb Harmony. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.